But now, there's a better way. Say hello to reusable magnetic eyelashes. No glue, no stress. Just snap them on and you're ready to slay. Fast, flawless, fabulous.
Getting beautiful, full lashes doesn't have to be complicated or messy. Magnetic lashes offer a simple, fast way to enhance your eyes. Forget sticky glues and difficult application. This method uses a special magnetic eyeliner and lashes with tiny magnets built in. It's designed for speed and ease, giving you stunning results in moments. Let's walk through the simple steps. Start with your magnetic eyeliner. Shake the bottle well before use. Carefully apply a thin, even line along your upper lash line, just as you would with any liquid eyeliner. Make sure the line is consistent from inner to outer corner. Let the liner dry completely for a few seconds until it feels slightly tacky to the touch. This creates the magnetic base. Now, take your magnetic lashes. Notice the small, strong magnets along the lash band. These are key to the secure hold. The lashes come pre-shaped and ready to go. You don't need any extra adhesive or tools for this step. Just hold the lash strip gently, ready for placement. This is where the magic happens. Bring the magnetic lash strip close to the eyeliner you applied. The magnets on the lash will instantly connect with the magnetic particles in the liner. They will snap right into place along your lash line. Adjust slightly if needed to get the perfect fit and look. It's incredibly simple and secure, and that's all there is to it. You now have perfectly applied, secure magnetic lashes. Enjoy your enhanced look with minimal effort and no mess.
Ready to elevate your lash game without the hassle? Tap the link below to order your magnetic lashes now, because beauty should be easy.